The Xumo Stream box, launched in 2020, provides free streaming content. If you encounter issues like freezing or slow loading, a simple reboot is often the first solution. To reboot, unplug the power cord from the back of the box for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches without losing data. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the device to its original state, erasing all apps, settings, and data. This is useful for persistent problems or after firmware updates. To factory reset, navigate to Settings, System, Factory Reset, and confirm by selecting Erase Everything. Remember to back up any important data first, as it will be lost. Have your Wi-Fi details ready, as they will be erased during the reset. After a factory reset or initial unboxing, connect your Xumo Stream box to power and an HDMI port on your TV. Select the correct HDMI input on your TV to see the Xumo screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi. Sign in with a Xumo account. Create one for free if needed. Scan a QR code using the Xumo app on your smartphone for activation. Customize settings such as parental controls and display resolution. If you connect an antenna, the box will scan for over-the-air channels, enhancing your free viewing options.